Yeah, guys, sorry, my battery went off. So, guys, we are the road to 1,000 right now, and to go at 9:02. The link is on bio to go subscribe, like, and share my videos. And what I do in YouTube, I've not chosen my niche. I have a lot of niches because I'm not that I don't have insufficient that I can travel around the world, but I'm praying that you guys will reach me 1,000, support me so that I may be going outside the country to show you around. So guys, my battery went off, so we were at, so I was saying that sometimes closure is becoming so fulfilled that sometimes you no longer need one, and I don't want to revenge, and I don't want to prove anyone wrong. Yeah. So that's why I was saying that people do say that sorry, let me take this one off first. My baby is a bit stubborn. So, yeah. And also, I don't want to spend my life carrying. And, like, I'm trying to bring that point, but it is not coming. Like, I don't want to spend my life carrying things towards people who chose to hurt me. You understand? And I just want to become so addicted with sorry, my baby is breaking things like she's breaking things like so I just wanna become so mommy wacha. I just want to become so addicted with my papa, and I wish I could reopen again. You understand? Because the goal was never to make the regret losing me. Okay? You understand? Mommy, acha, baby. I wish I could. Stop, baby. And my goal was to build a life. And the goal was to build a life where there is absent of becoming. Mama, wacha. Life where there is absent becoming a blessing. You understand? Yeah. So my baby is a bit stubborn. Like I can't do anything. She's jumping left, right, center. Say hello. Say hello, mama. Say hello, baby. Say hello. Say hello. Sema hello. Say hey guys. Sema hi guys. Usiruke kwa sink. This is what she's doing. She's inside the sink. Yay! Shuka tuende. Say hey guys.